Hello everyone, today we plant chia seed and all microcress. How to make microcress? Growing for plated. You can also use it for salad and very nice for decoration. All you need is 4 containers. As you see, I just put paper. You can put any type of paper, even small fine cloth, with the spray of water. Make sure you have all wet and cover 1 milli of the container. Here we go. First we added chia seed. Chia seed, we cover it with water. Make sure it's really wet. And here fenugreek. And here we added cress or micro cress. And here finally Nagila sativa. Nagila sativa is the most strong antidote to human being against all disease. Nagila sativa is different. We have to cover it and make sure it's really wet. With chia seed, we cover it with deep cloth in dark place for 3 days. So make sure you keep it in dark place. And every morning, this first day, we spray water to fenugreek and the cress. And second day, normally it takes 3 days and you can see it's a grow up. Here we go. See, after 3 days, I take out chia seed and Nagila sativa. It's already plantation, start to grow. You can see. Nagila sativa, you must move it to soil. You cannot keep it here. But I have no soil, but just I try to show you. As you see, microcress grow, and this is very good for knee pain, for the hair, is antidote and really healthy. You can add it to all your salad. You can see the chia seed. This is Nagila sativa. Chia seed, it looks so good, tastes good.